Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to grow your YouTube channel. And of course you have two types how you can do this by increasing your click-through rate and your retention. When you will do that, your views will increase. But I found one way that I did every single time with my new channels, and this works very good for me. So what you want to do is search for a channel that has the same content as you. So if I go to the search bar and search for workout, I found this workout just right here from Growing NNS. So now I tap on the channel, and if I scroll down to comments and tap on that, you see that I just commented "Let's go Anna." She liked my comment, and from now people can see this comment on the top in the comment section. So that is always the same section. If you can see right here when I tap on top, my comment is standing there. Now people are reading the comments and now they see my logo and my profile, and maybe they think, oh, that's a nice logo, tap on that. Oh, he is uploading workout channel, so let's do view channel. And then they can see your channel. Well, we just place one comment and now they are on my channel to watch maybe videos of mine. So this is one of the best way in the beginning how you can increase your followers, your views, and in the terms of YouTube, how you can grow your channel. So this works very good for me. And if you found this tip helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.